Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you honest reviews to help you make informed decisions on your purchases. Today, we're diving into a stylish and functional gift idea that's perfect for moms out there. It's the SoHo Slim Can Cooler by GALVANOX, designed to keep your drinks cool and your mom smiling. This right here is not just any can cooler. It's the best mom can cooler available on the market. Whether you're celebrating Mother's Day, a birthday, or just want to show your appreciation, this could be the perfect gift. Let's talk about what makes this can cooler special. It's crafted from premium stainless steel with triple-layer vacuum insulation. What does that mean for you? Well, it keeps your favorite skinny beers or hard seltzers icy cold for longer periods, without any pesky condensation ruining your grip or your tabletop. One of the standout features is its built-in grip, designed to securely hold both slim cans and standard bottles. So whether mom prefers a refreshing seltzer or a classic beer, this cooler has her covered. The design is sleek and thoughtful, fitting easily into any occasion. It's not just functional. It's a stylish accessory that mom can proudly show off at picnics, barbecues, or even just relaxing at home. And it comes beautifully gift-boxed, ready to surprise and delight. Available in a variety of styles and colors, including this elegant World's Best Mom edition, it's clear why this makes such a thoughtful gift choice. Plus, GALVANOX stands behind their products with a lifetime satisfaction guarantee, ensuring peace of mind with every purchase. So, if you're looking to surprise mom with something special, or just treating yourself to a quality can cooler, the SoHo Slim Can Cooler by GALVANOX is definitely worth considering. Check out the link in the description for more details and current pricing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews like this. Until next time, stay cool and stay informed. This is Product Critique, signing off.